In my consultation sessions as a legal travel consultant, I've noticed a common area of confusion. Many international students struggle to clearly distinguish between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. In this video, I'll break down the key differences in a simple and accessible way so you can make informed decisions, especially if you're planning to study in the Republic of Ireland. My name is Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Where is Ireland located? Ireland is a country in northwestern Europe, located in the North Atlantic Ocean, west of Great Britain. Its capital is Dublin. Ireland versus Northern Ireland. Do not be confused. This is one of the biggest mistakes students make. Republic of Ireland, independent sovereign country, member of the European Union, has its own immigration system known as the Irish Immigration Service Delivery. Northern Ireland, part of the United Kingdom, follows United Kingdom visa rules, not Irish rules. How many countries make up the United Kingdom? The United Kingdom consists of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. So, study in Ireland, you need an Irish visa. Study in Northern Ireland, you need a United Kingdom visa. Why study in Ireland? According to Irish government sources, globally recognized universities and an English-speaking education system, strong links to global industries such as technology, pharmaceuticals, and finance. Here are recognized universities in the Republic of Ireland: Trinity College Dublin and University College Dublin, University College Cork, and National University of Ireland Galway, Dublin City University and Technological University Dublin. All of these offer programs listed under Ireland's approved study system, the interim list of managed programs. Step-by-step application process. Step 1. Choose an eligible course. You must select a program that is listed on the interim list of managed programs. It must be full-time, with a minimum of 15 hours per week, and requires at least 85% attendance. Step 2. Apply and obtain a letter of acceptance. Your university must issue an official letter confirming course details, tuition fees, and payment status. Step 3. Pay tuition fees. If fees exceed €6,000, pay at least €6,000 upfront. If fees are below €6,000, pay in full. Proof of payment is mandatory for visa processing. Step 4. Prepare required documents. You must compile a complete application file, including a valid passport with minimum 12 months validity and passport-size photographs. Include your letter of acceptance, proof of tuition payment, and a clean criminal record certificate, academic transcripts and certificates, and an English proficiency test, such as the International English Language Testing System. Provide proof of financial capacity, private medical insurance, and a personal statement or study plan. Always check and confirm the recent requirements from the Irish Embassy in your home country. Step 5. Proof of financial means. You must demonstrate that you can cover tuition and living expenses and support yourself without public funds. This is one of the most critical visa factors. Step 6. Apply for a study visa. Visa categories include the C visa for short-term stays less than 90 days and the D visa for long-term stays more than 90 days. Most students require the D study visa. Step 7. Submit application via the online visa and pre-clearance application facility. Complete the online application. Print and sign the summary form, submit documents to the embassy, and pay the visa fee. Processing time. Standard processing is approximately 8 weeks. This may vary depending on the country and application quality. Step 9. Travel preparation. Before departure, ensure you carry your valid visa, acceptance letter, proof of fee payment, and accommodation details. Step 10. Immigration registration in Ireland. For stays longer than 90 days, you must register with Irish immigration authorities and obtain residence permission. This step is mandatory and time-sensitive. Study conditions in Ireland. Students must remain enrolled in a full-time course, maintain required attendance, and demonstrate academic progression. Failure to meet these conditions can affect immigration status. Working while studying. International students may work part-time during academic terms and work full-time during designated holiday periods. Conditions depend on your residence permission. Common reasons for visa refusal. Applications are often rejected due to incomplete documentation, insufficient financial proof, a weak or unclear study plan, lack of academic progression, or failure to meet English requirements. One more major reason is document falsification. Strategic advice for a strong application. To maximize approval chances, choose a course aligned with your academic background. Provide clear, verifiable financial documentation. Write a structured and realistic study plan. Avoid inconsistencies in your application. Conclusion: studying in Ireland requires strict compliance with official immigration and education rules. Success depends on three key pillars: enrollment in an approved program, admission to a recognized institution, and a complete and credible visa application. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you, do the same. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.